Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Play ranked matches and casual rounds to earn coins quickly. Typical results range from 30 to 50 coins per win and about 10 per loss. Aim for daily spin and event rewards to stack extra coins while you practice techniques and builds. Save coins until you have at least 2,000, so you can open multiple deep chests in a row for better RNG distribution and fewer wasted openings overall. Open deep chests, each costing 500 coins. The Kraken is a rare drop and requires repeated openings. Use coin batches of 2,000 to open 4 chests in one session to increase your effective odds by smoothing randomness. Track drop patterns and stop after 20 consecutive failures to reassess your approach. Consider saving for events and avoid emotional spending that wastes coins and time on low-probability pulls. Improve your effective odds by using luck boosts during limited-time events. These boosts raise Kraken drop chance by a visible percentage and stack with batch openings. If the community market or in-game shop offers Kraken trades, consider buying from trusted players to save time versus grinding. Prioritize events that show increased deep chest rates, which can raise drop chance by about 25%, and always record costs, so you compare grinding versus
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.